Now, dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Freedom Movements of 1857. Now our next topic is, dear children, end of the revolt. It means end of the revolt of 1857. During a revolt, the Britisher had got the supply of weapons and soldiers from the England. Now what happened there, dear children? Which is the most benefit for the East India Company? The most benefit of the East India Company there, during the revolt, the Britisher had got the supply of weapon and the soldiers from the England and Iran. The revolt started on 10th May 1857. What happened there, dear children? The revolt of 1857 started on 10th May 1857, but by the end of June 1857, it means within the 1 month, the Britisher had acquired the Varanasi and Allahabad. By the end of the July, the Britisher had won the Kanpur. In September 1857, they got back Delhi. Bahadur Shah and his queen Jinat Mahal were impressed and their son were murdered. Bahadur Shah and his queen were kept in the prison of the Rangoon, the capital of the Burma. Which is the capital of Burma, dear children? Rangoon is the capital of the Burma, and they died there. Who is died there? Bahadur Shah, Jafar and his queen. In March 1858, they acquired Lucknow again. Jhansi was devastated due to the trait of the Rani of the Jhansi, and they further headed towards the Kalpi. After that, in the fears of the battle, she attempted the martyrdom. Kunwar Singh of the Jagdishpur was wounded badly and he died in April of the 1858. After the final defeat of the Nana Sahib Peshwa moved to the Nepal, it is believed that he had stayed in Sihor village of the Bhavnagar district. Later, it is said that he died in the year 1902. A known person detached from Tatia Tope and handed him to British official. A government report published and mentioned about the death sentence to be hanged till death on 18th April 1859. Various other sources reveal that Tatia had eloped and somebody else was hanged in the Tatia Tope's place. It is believed that Tatia Tope spent an year of life in the Navsari. Now, dear children, next they have to give one about that the why was the revolt a failure. Which are the reasons that 1857 revolt was a failure? The revolutionary were unsuccessful in the retrieving the power of the rule from the Britisher. What happened there, dear children? Here the revolutionary were unsuccessful in retrieving the power rule from the Britisher. For it, certain limitations on their sides were responsible for it. That's why we can say that the revolt was failure. Now, which are the reasons? First, there was a lack of coordination in the revolt. First, which is the result? There was a lack of coordination in a revolt. The revolt leadership was reduced to a local leader rather than the central leadership. At the place of less strength, there was no provision of meeting the supply of weapons and soldiers. What happened then? In the place of less strength is there. Second one, there were no any kind of the provision for the meeting to supply the weapons and the soldiers. That's why we can say that lack of the coordination is also the reason for the failure of the revolt. Second, as the revolt started prior to the decided date, what happened that whatever the date was decided for the revolt, but before that date, the revolt was started. The whole planning was scattered and the Britishers got alert. And that's why what happened then? at the prior of the decided day, the revolt was started. That's why Britisher got alert. Britisher got alert from that revolt. Third, the high frequency of revolt was seen on the limited part of the North India region, and many social workers directly or indirectly did not join in the revolt. What happened there? High frequency revolt was seen into the limited part of the North India, and also region of the many social workers directly or indirectly joined or did not join in the revolt. This shows that the emerging education class did not support the revolt. Next, India is known for its unity in diversity. Dear children, you know very well that India is known for its unity in diversity. Different states have various languages, food, clothing, etc. That's why they all live under the British rule as a different region. The feeling of the patriotism, citizenship, etc. had not developed in the people or the leaders. So what happened? The feeling of the patriotism, Deshbhakti, Deshbhavna, citizenship, etc. had not developed in the people or leader. Many kings of that time were on the side of the British or passive. What happened during the 1857 revolt? Many kings of that time, they are supporting the East India companies. It means they are supporting in the sides of the British. Next, Sikh and Gurkha fought from the British side. This is also the main reason for the revolt of the faith. What Sikh and Gurkha fought from the British side. In a way, they play an important role in making a revolt of failure. Next one. The British were far ahead in the terms of soldier, weapons and the chieftains. Next, the different leaders had the motive to get back the lost rule and not to defeat the British. What happened that why these old leaders are fighting against the British East India Company? Because the different leader had the motive to get back the lost rule and not to defeat the British. Thus, they did not fight for other or for a group. These all are the reasons for the failure of the revolt of 1857. Now, next one, dear children, they have given about the effect and consequences of the revolt of the 1857. The revolt was failure in getting back and the rule from the British, which was the basic aim of it. Still, the many effects were seen which could bring a new era of change. What happened that year? Here, no doubt, in 1857 revolt we are failure, but still many effects we can see from the revolt of 1857 which could bring a new era of the change. First, company rule came to end in India. Now what happened that in revolt of 1857, after the company rule came to end in India and India came under the British rule. Second, the interference in the internal affair of the state of our nation was stopped. Now what happened then? Whatever the interference in the internal affair of the state of our nation was stopped. Next, there arose a need of company to bring out the necessary change in the policy towards the India. What happened there? The revolt of 1857. Now there arose a need for the company to bring out the necessary changes in their policy towards the India. After there was an increase in the amenities, DA and salaries of the Indian sepoy. Last one. This revolt helped invoking a feeling of the nationalism in the people of the India. What happened then, dear children? In the revolt of 1857, they created the one kind of the feelings of the nationalism in the peoples of the India. Thank you, dear children.